determine the four subspaces in three-dimensional space associated with A is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Mention their dimension. Okay. Here, four fundamental subspace we have to write. We already discussed four fundamental subspace: column space, row space, and null space, and left null space. Okay. Already I told this concept. Okay. Here we need to find the four subspaces in three-dimensional space. Write down given matrix. A is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Then first one, the four fundamental subspace are here. Observe your first one, column space. Already I told C of A is nothing but column space. And okay, first row here is 0 only. Okay, we are not considering. At least in one column, at least one number is present. In first column, no number is present. That's why we are not considering. C of A is equal to span of 1, 0, 0, and one more. Come to third column. Take down third column. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Then next, dimension. Rank of A. Okay. Here, rank. Observe here. Rank of A. Only two non-zero rows is there. Means rank of A is equal to 2. Similarly, write down second one. Row space C of AT. Okay, row space. A transpose is equal to, okay, A transpose is equal to, means observe here, A transpose column we can be written as row wise. 0, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0. Okay. Then column A transpose is equal to span of 0, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, we are not considering a third column because third columns are not having any numbers and also any variables. Okay, do the transpose. Column we can be written in row form 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, then observe here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 1. Then here also observe your rank. Rank of transpose is 2 only because here we are taking in column wise. Okay, in column wise we are considering dimension of C of A transpose is equal to rank of A transpose is equal to 2. Then take down third one, null space N of A. Okay, consider Ax is equal to 0. Consider Ax is equal to 0. Null space, how to find Ax is equal to 0? Write down A matrix. Okay, write down A matrix here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 0, 0, 0. Then x is x1, x2, and x3. Means here 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then multiply here. What will get? Here, observe here, x1 is 3. Observe this one. Okay, here x1 is 3. Okay, x1 is three variables. X1 is three variables. Means first column has no pivot. Element. Okay, means x2. Here x2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to 0. Multiply here. 1 into means x2 is equal to 0. Multiply here. 0 into x1 is 0, 1 into x2 is x2, and 0 into x3 is 0, means x2 is equal to 0. Then come to second row. 0 into x1 is 0, 0 into x2 is 0, then 1 into x3 is equal to 0. Okay. Then we have to assume x1 is equal to k. All the values 0 means we are not getting any matrix. Assume x1 is equal to k here. Means x is equal to x1, x2 and x3, and x1 values here k, 0, 0. Then take down k common here, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, then null of a is equal to here k, 0, 0 or 1, 0, 0. Okay, then dimension of null space is equal to 1 only. Dimension of null space is equal to 1 only. We are writing n minus r is equal to n is 3, rank is 2. We are writing here 1. Okay. Then find out left null space. Left null space n of a transpose. Okay. A transpose of y is equal to 0. Here A transpose is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Y we are taking here y1, y2 and y3 means 0, 0, 0. Then multiply, you will get it here. Last column is not having a pivot. C3 is no pivot means x3 is three variables. Means here y2, observe here 0, 0 means y1 0, y3 0, y3. First row, first column, y1 into 0 plus y2 into 0 plus y3 into 0, 0 only. The next y2 is equal to y2 into y1 into 1 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 means y1 is 0 here. Okay, similarly third row and first column. Okay, y1 into 0 plus 1 into y2 plus 0 into y3 is equal to 0 means y2 is equal to 0. Here free variable is what? y3 is equal to free variables. Y3 means we are taking y3 is equal to k here. We are taking y is equal to k. Then y is equal to y1, y2, y3 means y1 is 0, y2 is 0, y3 is k. Then take down k common here, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Left null space n of at is equal to 0, 0, k or k into 0, 0, 1 or 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the required answer. Any doubt? Deepti? Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Understood now? So let's start orthogonal and orthonormal vectors.
Yes, ma'am.
Orthogonal and orthonormal vector. Okay. Condition for orthogonal vector is nothing but u vector dot v vector is equal to 0. Okay, observe here, this is u vector, this is v vector. Okay, then this is 90 degrees. U vector dot v vector is equal to 0. Okay, I will give one simple example. U vector is minus 3 comma 4 and v vector is 4 comma 3. Okay, then do the dot product. U dot v vector means minus 3 into 4. Okay, plus 4 into 3. Plus 4 into 3, what will get here? Minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. Means u vector dot v vector is equal to 0. Means u vector and v vector are orthogonal. Orthogonal. Okay, understood? Then similarly, okay, here two vectors. Then one more, take down one more example. Determine whether the vector 4 comma 2 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus 3 comma 2 are orthogonal or not. Okay, u is equal to, observe here, u is 4 2 minus 1 and v is 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Then do it the dot u dot v is equal to 4 into 1 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, what we are getting here? 4, 2 3s are minus 6, minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 0, 0. Okay, then dot product is 0. No, 4 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, means the given vectors are, therefore dot product is 0. Means dot product is 0 is nothing but the given vectors are orthogonal to each other. The given vectors are orthogonal to each other. Okay, then in that we are going to study orthonormal vectors also. Okay, orthonormal vectors means we need to find, this is orthonormal vector u means square root of x square plus y square plus z square. How to find the orthonormal? Okay, means orthonormal vector orthonormal vectors means u cap is equal to u vector divided by modulus of u vector. How to find the orthonormal vectors means u cap is equal to u vector divided by modulus of u vector. Okay, take this simple problem. Determine orthonormal vector for u is equal to 4 2 minus 1 and v is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, then u cap is equal to u by u. Okay, means u is equal to square root of 4 square plus, here how to find the modulus, modulus of u is square root of 4 square plus 2 square plus 1, we will get it here 19. 16 plus 16. 16 plus 4. Okay, tell me what is the answer here?
Root 21, ma'am.
What is the answer? Square root of 21. Then u cap is equal to, okay, then 1 by square root of 21 into 4, 2 minus 1 means 4 by root 21, 2 by root 21 minus 1 by root 21. Okay. Similarly, orthonormal vector of V is, okay, V cap is equal to V vector divided by modulus of V vector, means V vector is, we need to find, okay, here V vector is 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 square plus minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Okay, you will get it here 1 plus 9 plus 4, then this is 14, then V cap is equal to V cap is equal to 1 by square root of 14. V vector is here 1 by root 14. V vector is 1 minus 3 and minus 2. Then 1 by square root of 14 minus 3 by square root of 14 minus 2 by square root of 14. Okay, this is also very important IA point of view. Okay, and